Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can participate in the Rainbow Verse event in Heartopia. So it says, taste rainbow sugar, speak sweet truths. It says, eat any flavor of rainbow sugar, head to the pop-up store. So the pop-up store is just going to be here. I think this is the one. Wait, why isn't it? Oh, yeah, it is this one. Says rainbow sugar pop-up retail. Let me see what I can get. You can also track it if you don't know where it is. Here, it's going to track it. And yes, it is here. So it's located near this area, near the pet store. Okay, so there's the food recipe Rainbow Spark. I'm just going to purchase that, and the Rainbow Heart one. Rainbow Sugar Billboard. I'm just going to purchase that because why not? It says here that I have to eat the rainbow sugar. Oh my gosh, am I lagging? Oh, I'm not. Okay, I think I have to cook it. Hold on, let me see what. Is this the same? Okay, it is the same. I am going to, let's go to Massimo's and see what we need to do. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry for the lag, guys. Okay, let's see what we need for this. Oh, we just need, I guess, fruits. And then we can change the fruits. Okay, let's just use the blueberry one first. I'm just gonna cook one because it just tells me to eat one. So that's what I'm gonna do. So you don't have to purchase anything from Massimo. You just need to harvest some fruits. Ooh, and here's our first one, Rainbow Spark of the day. So I'm just going to eat that. Okay, confirm. It's whatever. That is so cute. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Okay, let's go back to the Rainbow Verse and then we can just click on that and we'll get the sticker emote thing. But yeah, that is it for today. I think there's going to be something else new tomorrow, but yeah, I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!